And this guy, he's redoing this using all pallet wood. Hey, I'm Mark with The Art of Rving. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe. Follow us on Instagram. Today on tap, I have this amazing poly 30-foot 1993 Jayco. Here we go. Okay, so here's the front of it. Look at this. Look at these jealousy windows in here. Look at these cool windows they have here with the 3 panes that come down, that open. And this guy, he's redoing this using all pallet wood. Great straps. Jayco J. It's gonna have the same windows that come out, which is, it's awesome. I love that. I wish our windows opened on our trailer. Still 6 jealousy windows here. And then of course the J series. Man, this trailer, there's no telling what this thing weighs. I bet this thing weighs 7,000 to 8,000 pounds. And I always like how they put their tongue up. Yeah, you know it. Where there's a will, there's a way, baby. All right, let's go check out this bad boy. Oh, whoa! Yeah, this is pretty awesome. So here's the first view of it right here. This is the front of it. The backstory is this young man, fine, smart young man, 17 years old, getting ready to go to school in West Texas, and bought him this trailer and is going to stay in it there for 4 years. So it looks like he's tore out the floor. There's the original tub right there. And look at all this pallet wood. He's made it predominantly out of pallet wood. He said he has nothing in the trailer. I guess they gave him the trailer to haul off, and now he's doing the pallet wood thing. Here's the original area where the kitchen was, I guess still is. There's the original vent that went into the kitchen right there. And here's another one of those sconces. There's no light that goes through this. It only comes out through the top. It's gonna be beautifully lit. I love the shape of this counter in here. It's so space saving. There's a ton of room in there. Then as you make your way in the back here, this was a closet in which he tore out here. I thought it was so cool. I love the colors on this thing. And you got your little angel cherub hanging on there. And here's the back so far. They've ripped out all of this wood in here. Man, the work that this has taken. And of course in Texas, you're gonna have fishing gear in every car and every trailer that you have. So here's a view from the back to the front there. There's the cabinetry there. And let's see what's in here. Oh, he doesn't have anything in here. It looks like there's probably going to be a nest of some sort in there. Another nest in there. I wonder if there's anything in there. You think? I don't think I'm going to find out. Look at those cool windows right there with a pattern on there. Yep. Better let me know. Here's a bathroom door, in which I'm always love this built-in mirror. When they put the mirror in behind this wood like this, I think that is just the coolest thing ever. Let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh, I'm in heaven. Look at all this wallpaper. Man, are you getting dizzy? Whoa, oh my god. That must be the sink. Oh no, wait, there's the toilet right there. Let's see what's in it. Oh my lord. Why? Oh, that's not pretty. And I thought the toilet would be porcelain, but it's really not. And check out those hair curlers, dude. And so that looks like the original faucet. I just think there's something about these lights. They're just the coolest thing. I mean, they're just so old school. Maybe I'm old school. And on the back of these doors, they should do this on every single bathroom. And it's such a space saver to put it on there like that. Look at the size of that window in here. I mean, huge. He told me he's going to put a beanbag couch here. It's really a good idea. It doesn't weigh much. And he's going to put like a couple of recliners back here. Look for a new video coming out, and you're going to see the finished product. Later.